Hi, Jilly. So this is Tony. We spoke quickly yesterday, and I mentioned I wanted to shoot you off this video, so here it is. What I want to go over today is a couple of tips on how you can increase your online presence in a way that actually helps generate you some additional business via your website. I do this as a free service for small businesses. The only thing I ask is if you guys find any value in this, just reply to the email and give me any feedback you might have. It helps me out a ton. So with that, let's jump over here to Google. I'm going to look up roofing contractors, Lakeland, Florida. And at the top, you're going to get the Google paid ads. Google's going to try to make its money, of course, but I'm going to ignore those today. Below that, we've got our map pack. A map pack is very important for a business like yourself because about 70% of the search volume that comes through for these kind of keywords that I just searched is going to click or call one of these three roofing contractors. People are just going to assume the top three in this list are going to be the best roofing contractors in Lakeland. I know that not to be true, but what I do know is they figured out how to get their listing up here. And one of the main ways to do that is through something called citations, which is just your company name, address, and phone number listed out on directory sites around the web. These are sites like yellowpages.com, Yelp, Angie's List, Thumbtack. There's like 400 of these things. You can do a quick Google search for citation websites and you're going to list a mile long. Add your business to 10 to 20 of those a week. Over time, you're going to start seeing your listing rise in the rankings. Just make sure you're super consistent with the way you input the data across these directories. Consistency is key. So the area below here is called the organic listings. These are more affected by something called backlinks. A backlink is just your URL in a clickable format out on another website. The internet is just essentially a popularity contest. The more times other websites have your URL on it, the more popular, quote unquote, your website is. One thing to keep in mind is not all backlinks are created equal. You can get spammy backlinks, so you want to avoid those. Make sure your backlinks are from trusted websites and, if at all possible, websites from your same niche. So in your case, maybe a home improvement website or a home improvement blog. You could even provide a blogger a article to put out on their site, and oftentimes they'll trade you a backlink for that content. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's citations and backlinks. The third thing, which is really the foundation of it all, is called content. So I'm going to click here on KL Smith. They are the first actual roofer in the organic listings. So the content I'm talking about is just the words on your homepage here. You've got a pretty nice looking website here. I like you guys' picture, that's awesome. And I like the color scheme. So if I actually copy all of the words on here, you have about 448 words. We suggest, and Google really values content, so it's suggested for everybody that I talk to really is to have about 2,000 words on your homepage. Google wants authoritative, well-written content, and on top of that, with that many words on your homepage, you can get these keywords like roofing contractors, Lakeland FL within your content so that you're actually found for those. I'm not seeing very many keywords, so there's a possibility you're not being found for a lot of the Lakeland specific keywords. So let's look at your competitor here, KL Smith, and see what they have. So the good thing here is they're in third position for this keyword, but they only have around 500 words. So if you get to 2,000, you're going to blow them out of the water for this ranking factor, and that's important. So let's pull their URL here and throw it into Ahrefs. This product does a pretty decent job of estimating what Google knows about a website. So KL Smith has 56 domains or websites pointing back to them. So those are backlinks. They're being found for about 118 keywords, which generates them about 159 clicks a month. So if we drill into here, so Lakeland Roofing Contractor. So they're being found first and foremost. I'm sorted here by traffic. Their first keyword is their company name, which is fine. But these are the kind of keywords you want to be found for. Roof repair, Lakeland, Florida roofing contractor. Here's the one we searched. 150 searches. This shows them in position 5. They've moved up to position 3. So they're probably getting about 25 clicks a month. They're getting 12 or 15 for this one, 17 for that one. If we add up all the traffic they're getting for their site, say they're closing 10% of this, that's 16 new roofs a month. I'd take that any day, free traffic. Let's see what we got going on with your site here. And 23 websites pointing back to you, being found for 27 keywords, that's getting you 4 clicks Roofing Lakeland you're being found for, which is great, but you're on page 2. Roofing Lakeland, Florida, page 2. Here's the one we searched. You're at the top of, or the bottom of page 2. So as you can see, what's good is you're being found for these keywords, but unfortunately your actual backlink profile is not strong enough to get you to the top. So what you could do, this product Ahrefs is a paid tool, but there's other tools out there that you could search for that are free. Just look up like backlink tracker, and you'll see free tools out there. And you can get a week free of Ahrefs too if you wanted to sign up for it. You click here on referring domains, and if you can get all of these backlinks to all of these websites that your competitor's getting backlinks to, then over time you're going to rank up there with them. If you add more content to your homepage and do this, and add a few more additional backlinks, after some period of time, you will actually start outranking them. So hopefully that's clear. That's all I've got for you today. I want to keep this video sort of short. If this was useful to you, again, I would love a reply to this email just with any feedback. Hopefully I gave you some tools to help yourself out. But of course, this is what I do for a living. So if this is not something you want to take on your own, but you do want to work on your website, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number will be on the email. And with that, I will let you go. Thanks for watching if you did. Have a great one.